I am Fabiha Hossein.
And I am Briella Thompson.
Welcome to this presentation where we tell you all about the world's second most popular pet, which is cats.
Let's start off with some basic information you should know about cats.
First, we have their internal structure. Cats are made up of 244 bones, more than an average adult. Cats also have 18 toes if you count their front feet toes.
To add on, cats have a lifespan of 13 to 20 years. An interesting fact is that surprisingly, they actually have 3 eyelids. The one extra eyelid is an extra protection for the cat's eye, usually around the nose area.
Did you know that cats can run 48 kilometers per hour? That's 4 times the speed of an average human.
What's really cool is that kittens actually have 26 teeth. That is even more than the amount a baby has.
Last but not least, cats sadly cannot taste anything that is sweet. I wonder how they feel knowing that they don't have that ability.
Even though their sense of taste is very weak, cats have a very strong sense of smell. Cats have more than 200 million odor sensors in their noses, while humans have just 5 million. That means that their sense of smell is more than 14 times better than humans.
Now that we have given you some typical background knowledge on cats, let's describe to you some cat breeds.
There are obviously a lot of cat breeds, but we will take some time to state the different species of cats that currently exist.
Some cat breeds are the Siamese cat, the Persian cat, the Sphinx cat, the Ragdoll cat, the Burman cat, the Ragamuffin cat, the Burmillia cat, and the Burmese cat, which actually have the longest life expectancy, and the rarest of all,
the Sokoke cat. These cats are the rarest because of the amount there are left of them. There are less than 100 Sokokes left on Earth.
Lastly, let's talk about some organizations who are working hard to conserve cats.
These are organizations such as Panthera, Carolina Tiger Rescue, the Wildcat Sanctuary, and Wildlife Conservation Society. These organizations are all consistently working extremely hard, and we need to show our support to them.
To close off the opening of our topic, the presentation was not only to entertain you, but to inform you about the ups and downs of how cats live today. Unfortunately, we have run out of time to discuss this concept with you.
But we hope you have learned as much as possible about what we mentioned to you today, which is cats.
I am Fabiha Hossein.
And I am Briella Thompson. Thank you for taking the time to listen to this presentation, and have a good day.